exercise 10.2 of chapter 10 time. Today we are going to discuss exercise 10.3. In this exercise we are going to discuss conversion of 24-hour clock time into 12-hour and conversion of 12-hour into 24-hour clock time. So first of all, as you all know that there are 24 hours in a day. Now after 12 noon, 1 is represented as 13, 2 is 14, 3 as 15, 4 as 16, 5 as 17, 6 as 18, 7, 19, 8, 20, 9, 21, 10, 22, 11, 23 and 12, 24, or we also write it as 0, 0, 2 times 0. Now let's see first of all what's the difference between 12-hour clock time and 24-hour clock time. In 12-hour clock time we used to represent the time with semicolon. Semicolon is used like 9:20 a.m. or p.m., 7:30 p.m. or a.m. like this. But in 24-hour clock time, no semicolon is used. We used to represent 4 digits as 4 digits without semicolon. Yes. Next is in 12-hour clock time we used to represent a.m. and p.m. with the time. But in 24-hour clock time, instead of a.m. p.m. hours are used. We used to write hours. Now what are the rules to convert into 24-hour clock time? If 12-hour clock time is given to you like 1:30, 7:30, 8:30 a.m. p.m. Now what are the rules how you convert it into 24-hour clock time? First rule, as you all know that in 24-hour clock time instead of am and pm hours are used. सबसे पहले हम am pm को कट करके उसकी जगह hours लिखेंगे. Second rule is if pm is given to you, if suppose 1:40 pm is given to you, then you have to add 12 in that. You have to add 12. It is a rule. Suppose if 1:40 pm is given to you, this is pm given to you, you have to add 12 in 1. It will become 13, 40. Instead of pm you have to write hours. सबसे पहले तो आपने pm am चेक करना है. अगर pm दिया हुआ है तो आपने फर्स्ट डिजिट में सेमीकोलन से पहले जो भी डिजिट्स हैं उसमें यू हैव टू ऐड 12. यस. नाउ 1 plus 12 it is 13, so we have written it as 13. For semicolon we will remove it and we will write it as 40, 13, 40 hours. Now if am is given to you, no need to convert it into no need to add any 12. Just write the digit as it is, but you have to write in 4 digit numbers. Let's say suppose 5 is given to you. First of all, see, am is given to you. It means आपने conversion करना ही नहीं है, बस सीधा 5 को as it is लिख देना है, semicolon हटाना है and 30 as it is लिख देना है. But अगर आप 5:30 लिखते हो, it is of 3 digits. But in 24-hour clock time, we used to represent it by 4 digits. And instead of am, you have to write hours. Now children, let's see some of the examples how to convert 12-hour clock time into 24-hour clock time. First part is given to you 2:06 am. Now I already told you first rule is instead of am or pm you have to write hours. आपने सबसे पहले hours लिख देना. Then you have to check whether the question is in am or pm. अगर am में है then no need to convert it, just write it as it is. 2 का 2 आ जाएगा, semicolon we will not put, then 0, 6. But children, in 24-hour clock time we used to represent it by 4 digits. बस इसके आगे एक 0 लगा दो. 2 को we can write it 0 2. 20 लिखेंगे तो it will be 20. So 2 को we can write it as 02. So it will be 206 hours. Let's see next example. It's 11:12 am. Again am is given to you. It means no need to convert, just write it as it is. बस इसको as it is लिख दो. 11:12 hours. Yes. Now next is 9:50 am. Again am is given to you. So just write it as it is. 9 को you can write it 09:50 hours. Yes. Now moving to next part. 11:55 pm. Children, now here pm is given to you. It means you have to add 12. 11 plus 12, what will be there? 11 plus 12 it is 23. और आप यहाँ क्लॉक में भी चेक कर सकते हो. 11 is represented by 23. It means 23:55 hours. Yes. Now 4:17 p.m. Again p.m. is given to you. It means you have to convert it. 4 को you can write it as 4 plus 12. It will be 17 hours. It is very simple, children. Just a matter of seconds. You will add 12 and get the answer. If p.m. is given to you. Now 8:36 p.m. Again p.m. is given to you. It means you have to add 12 in this. It will be 20:36 hours. Yes. Now next part is 12 noon. If suppose 12 noon is given to you and you have to represent in 24-hour clock time, so you will write it as 12:00 hours. Yes, 12 is represented as 12:00 hours. Then if 12 midnight is given to you, you can write it as 2400 hours, or you can write it as 000 hours. Both are correct. Clear?